In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn OneDrive Autosave off. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open up the OneDrive app. This could be on your desktop or laptop, it doesn't really matter as long as you have the app installed and are logged into your account. Once you've got the OneDrive app open, you'll likely see all your files and folders listed right there on the screen. But for now, we're going to navigate away from those as our focus is on adjusting some settings. Now, let's find the settings. Typically, there will be a small gear icon somewhere near the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your gateway to the myriad of options and customizations that OneDrive offers. Click on that, and you'll see a menu drop-down with several choices. But don't worry, we're on a mission here, aiming straight for the autosave settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Account. This is where you can manage a range of account-related details, such as your current storage usage and subscription status. But among these options is what we are truly interested in, a setting referred to as Unlink this PC. Now, you might ask, what does unlinking this PC do? Simply put, this choice will disconnect your device from automatically syncing new content to OneDrive. It does not delete any previously saved files, rather, it halts the automatic backup moving forward. So, this is perfectly safe to use if you're looking to manage your sync preferences more manually. After choosing Unlink this PC, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This is the final step we need to take. By clicking on Unlink Account, we officially disable the OneDrive Autosave feature. Just a quick note, unlinking your PC doesn't mean your files stored in OneDrive will be affected. It simply gives you manual control over which files, if any, you choose to upload to the cloud from this point on. For those who might wonder and suddenly miss the ease of automatic backups, rest assured that you can always re-enable this feature. Simply go back into your OneDrive app settings and relink your PC to get started with autosaving again. Now that autosave is off, why turn off this feature? It's important to stress that doing so doesn't compromise the safety of your files. In fact, it just means you'll have more direct control over what gets saved to the cloud. It's a good practice regardless to back up important files in more than one location. Whether on an external hard drive, another cloud service, or both, the choice is entirely yours. For those of you who prefer to manually manage your files or might be looking to conserve on cloud storage, knowing how to turn off the autosave feature can be incredibly beneficial. Remember to keep your OneDrive account secure and always consider carefully before turning off any automatic backup settings. Thank you for joining me today for this quick guide on disabling OneDrive's autosave. Whether it's for privacy, storage management, or just personal preference, taking control of how your files are saved is paramount.